Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Beats by Kim Fit Pro. Now it's the same Beats Fit Pro that we all know and love. I made multiple videos. Make sure you guys check them out. Don't look in the description. It's featuring 3 brand new colors to match with your skin. Without further ado, here's the unboxing experience. I don't even know which one to unbox first. We're going to start off with the lightest color. I forgot the name of this one. Moon, Kim Kardashian Brandon on the side. On the front, we have Beats in collaboration with Kim, Beats Fit Pro. Okay, so we have some pull tabs. And there it is. The Beats Fit Pro in the color maroon. Moon. And let's see. So we have the ear tips, Type-C charging cable. Nah, okay, so it's black. So it's not colored match. But you do have color match ear wings. Ear tips. And of course, you have your user manual. Okay, so you have free Apple Music. Start your free trial of Apple Music right here. For the remainder of this video, I'm just going to show you guys the Beats Fit Pro, because pretty much all the colors are going to feature the same exact thing. The whole goal of these 3 colors is just to match your skin tone. Now, unfortunately, this doesn't match my skin tone, but I could see this selling out very quickly, only because, well, if you have headphones on, it kind of just matches with your skin, just that nude color, kind of like. Let's see how the Duke look, or the Dune. Let's see how the Dune looks. Oop, messed that up. Oh my goodness. Yo, struggles. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's see how this looks. I think even this. All right, so this is not gonna. We're getting closer to my skin tone, but this is matching way better than the Moon. And pairing is very simple. All you do, hover over your iPhone or Android, and you can be able to see the pairing. All right, here's how this looks. You open up the case, and you should be able to see the Beats Fit Pro right there. I know the glare kind of messed that up a little bit. And it actually matches with the color, which is pretty cool. Close the case. It should be able to just dismiss it. Oh, I guess not. And let's see if this matches the color. Yep. Really cool. And then all you do is just tap on connect, and you should be good to go. Now, last but not least, we have the final color. This is Earth. I think this is going to match my skin tone. Okay. Yeah, so this is more like me. Of course, I'm going to be taking some slow-mo, some B-roll to kind of help you guys make a decision on which color you should go with between the Earth, the Dune, and the Moon. We're going to see which one. And of course, I'm going to take some close-up of each of these earbuds. This is going to also match accordingly too with the pop-up menu. And all you do is just tap on connect. So I did a full-blown review of the Beats Fit Pro. Don't look in the description or a card on screen. You guys don't want to miss it. So without further ado, let's see how these colors look in action. Guys have it. That is my unboxing of the Beats by Kim Fit Pro. I hope you guys found this one interesting or helpful or entertaining. If it did, Appreciate it with a thumbs up. Make sure you guys click on that beautiful red subscribe button. Help me reach the 200,000 subscribers. And click on that notification bell to be notified when I upload. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and on Twitter at Simplypops. Kim K, if you're watching this, hit me up. Nah, I'm just kidding. Until next time, guys, have a simple day. Peace.